Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a chocolate letter. Melt 200 g chocolate gently over a double boiler or in short microwave bursts, stirring often. Temper if you want a glossy snap by cooling and reheating slightly. Pour into a silicone letter mold, tap to remove air bubbles, and add toppings while soft. Chill until fully set, then unmold carefully and trim edges with a warm knife for a neat finish. Melt chocolate slowly using a double boiler or 20–30 second microwave bursts, stirring frequently for smoothness. For shine and snap, temper by cooling to target temperatures, then gently reheating to working heat. Keep water out of the chocolate to prevent seizing, and stir constantly to distribute heat. If you prefer ease over perfection, skip tempering and accept a softer finish. Tempering rewards you with professional texture and lasting gloss. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy baking tips. Quick recommendation. The Oala water bottle is perfect for staying hydrated during long tempering sessions, and it fits right in kitchen cup holders, so no spills near melted chocolate. Check the description for the link and other deals, and grab one if you want a handy hydration buddy in the kitchen. Now let's get back to the video. Pour chocolate into the mold with a steady stream, filling slightly above the edge for clean letters after trimming. Tap and gently vibrate the mold to bring bubbles to the surface, then smooth the back with an offset spatula. Refrigerate on a level tray until firm but not sweating, about 20–40 minutes depending on thickness. Unmold by flexing the silicone and warm a knife to level rough edges for a polished presentation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.